Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use BibleMate AI custom plan. You may already know that BibleMate AI offers an agent mode. It analyzes your request, it generates a master plan, it implement the steps in the plan one by one. But sometimes you want to have your own plan to have more control. Maybe do a simple two steps studies, or maybe even you can do it a more complicated study, but everything according to your own steps and to use the tools that you want. Yes, you have that option. For example, I give a simple example here. Like I want to study cross references of John 3:16 in two steps. And then I specify the two steps. The first one is to use the retrieve Bible verse 2, Bible verse 2. Let me select from below to get the Bible verse content. The second step is to use the cross references tool to get its cross references. Okay, you can see in this simple example, I just specified two steps here. But if I submit my request like this in agent mode, it will take it for further analysis. It analyzes my request. It generates its own plan. The plan may involve more than two steps, more tools, takes more time for the analysis. For some time, I just do a simple one, or I want to have more control for the plan. So, I spent instead of submitting my request uh, uh, like like this, I add something in the beginning. I use the symbol add. It's the add sign that we often use for writing an email address, but we use it twice. We use it twice here. We use it twice here to tell BibleMate AI to use my own plan. My input is the plan that I specify for BibleMate AI to use. After BibleMate AI receive a request that begins with the add sign being used twice at the beginning, it knows it's the user own plan, which just take it straight away as the plan. Let me show you. Uh, okay, I submitted my request. It's running. You can see, okay, it's very quick. It's wrapping up now. Let me show you what have been done. For after I submitted my request, it will simply take my content as the master plan to do a two-step study. The first one is to get the verse content. Second one to get the cross references. In step one, you can see here suggestion, tool selection, and the instructions all about getting the Bible verse content. It does, and the output one here. Oh, for this is the way God loved the world. He gave his one and only Son so that everyone who believes in him will not perish but have eternal life. It's the content of the Bible verse I requested. And step two, request the uh, uh, Bible cross references here. So in the output here, you can see all those references about the Bible verse, John 3:16, are listed here. And finally, you do a quick wrap up and give me some insights about the Bible verse and its cross references at the end. And it gives me also save a backup copy on my device here. Here is the location where the backup material is saved. Okay, with this simple example, I think you already could get the idea. Before submitting our request, if we want to use it as a custom plan, we should begin our request with the symbol at sign in the beginning. We use it twice. Why you use it twice? Because it tells BibleMate AI now I'm using a custom plan. Uh, so I use it twice in the beginning. If I use it once, there's for another features that I may demonstrate that in another video. But in this video, I'm talking about the custom plan. You have to use it twice in the beginning of your request. But sometimes you may ask a further question. If I want to use the same plan repetitively later, do I need to type the whole plan again and again every time when I use it? Uh, you can, of course, you can type it over again every time, but BibleMate AI does give you an option to save a plan as a template. You can load it whenever you want later, so that you can use it repetitively for similar studies. How can we do that? Let me make the screen clean to do a quick demo. Now, I have a previously written plan. Let me copy here. Okay. Oh, this plan is also about cross references. You can see my request begins with the uh, symbol at twice in the beginning of my request. Just give it a quick title, a simple title saying cross-reference insights, and the content is to generate insights based on the cross-references of the following Bible verse. In the Bible verse here, you can see here I intentionally leave a template uh, bracket here, reminding me when I use this template, I have to specify a particular Bible verse for the study. For the steps, there are three in total. The first step is to retrieve the Bible verse content. The second step is to retrieve the cross references, like what we did earlier, but we add a third step here for this example is to write Bible insights, to generate insights based on these cross references in relation to the primary Bible verse under study. Okay, how to save it is to use keyboard shortcuts. We design a combination is to use the Control key followed by the letter W. Why use W? Because W for writing. I am writing a custom plan on my device. That's how I remember it. Is to use Control key followed by the letter W. Okay, something prompt something pop up and ask you for a name to save the plan. Okay, let me give you a name, cross references, insights, and okay. Now the plan is safe. How do I know it is safe? Okay, let me have a fresh start. We clean up everything here. And if I want to load a previously saved plan, again, I use keyboard shortcuts. But this time I use Control key followed by the letter L. Uh, if you remember what we did earlier is we use Control key followed by the letter W to write a plan on your device. Now we use Control key followed by the letter L to load a plan, a previously saved plan for my input here. So I press the Control key followed by the letter L. Now you can select here, oh, I want to open a plan. OK, and then see the previously saved plan are listed here. Actually, on this device, I only have a single plan. That's the one I showed you before. I save it as with the name cross references insights. Okay, I want to load it, so I select OK. Now the plan is loaded uh, on in the input, but I still need to uh, modify one thing is to specify the Bible verse being studied here. So I type Romans 5:8. It means that I want to study the cross references and its insights uh, for a particular verse, that is Romans 5:8 here, and I submit my request. You can also see here, BibleMate AI doesn't generate its own plan. It's just use my custom plan here for the study. So in step one, to retrieve the Bible text here, step two, to retrieve the cross references. In step three is to generate insight, to write some insight, like here, write detailed exegetical insight on Romans 5:8, particularly using the cross references we get from the result of step two, John 15, 13, John 3:16, Romans 5:6, all are from the result in step two, and it's now in the okay, not in the middle of writing, it already finished, to give you the output for the insight, give you the immediate uh, literary and historical context, the key terms and cross references synthesis, to give you the insights of the main study, uh, uh, main Bible verse being studied based on the cross references. And finally, doing a wrap up to give you a final report here, the final answer, cross references insights on Romans 5:8. Wow. Uh, it's a full report here, and also if I have a backup on your own device. Okay, I think I already show you how to use custom plans of your own in BibleMate AI. I also let you know how to save it and open it whenever you want. When you want to study, do a similar study, you can open a previously saved plan uh, to perform similar study, but you just need to change a bit to specify uh, uh, the Bible verse you want to study in each time you load up a template. Um, yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you to use uh, BibleMate AI. I may do some more in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.